Welcome back to Earth and Ask Sana apho sitla ngeendaba zabantu singabuzwanga ulapha nje uthandazana laqala.
Bamphethe or something. What's your plan? Umshadelane?
Umbuzo lowo. Hayi wena ungazongiphuphela wena into oyibuzayo.
Why do you want to marry me?
Uma ngiyakuthanda.
Ngoba uyangithanda?
Mina isizathu sami sokuthi ngigane ukuvusa umuzi wakithi. Secondly, Tirelo sengithanda yena isikhathi eside kakhulu. Angifuni abe nalomqondo ukuthi engathi manje ngimshadela ngwana kunosingababa. Ngcono nje ngimezwini lokuthi ngiyakuthanda. Ngizochaza ngithini kuloku.
Sasa maseliphelile?
Kuyaphela kanti.
Yeah. Okay, what if mina I don't think you love me?
Phela wakhe imicabango le.
I can see if that's enough for Khonyana Motho.
Hey, I wonder what does Usibindi means when he says that he didn't want to say anything else, but then Yana he is marrying Utirelo to build the Mzumbe yellow houses that is abandoned by their mothers, which are the wives of Utata Umselegu. Utata Umselegu's got about 5 wives now, but Imzumbe is cracky and it's falling apart. So now these small young gentlemen or boys have to now build or zivoselo umzi katata Umselegu just for the sake of Utata Umselegu's house uba ihlale. Yena you can't even stay there. Uya visitor even himself to his wife, and then like seriously. So Umpumelelo says that baya ndimtshateli mna, I don't want to say anything. I just want to he even say akafuni uthetha into eninzi, akafuni nokuthi ukuba umtshatela uba singabakho, which is their son, but yena umtshatelo uba uyabelta uTerrell is asking valid questions here ba sizohlala phi. Yes, uyanditshata uyandithanda, but where are we going to stay? Stability, are you going to economy? Guys, you can see uTerrell that that girl that she thinks she is clean, she is doing fine for herself. Now uzahamba ayotshata ngo-DJ Mpumza. The only thing that a assurance that DJ Mpumza is going to bring, it is only inkazana after inkazana, stress after stress. So far leyo it's guarantee. Sister ability sokuqala azanaso Mpumelelo eso kukumfrustrate ngokumjolela day in day out, because he is not going to stop, because amantombazana akapheli and asazalwa. So Utirelo, I get her. At some point you'd like to be excited to get married to someone that you love, and also uthando doesn't fade overnight. So I'm understanding, man, I'm loving this girl that I'm seeing, like ndiyambona man ba alomntana uyazikhathalela lona, because kaloku sana nizawuthi bana bekuthena angazikhathaleli ixesha elilonke. Uyarealize sana ukwesa stage sokuqonda nzulu ngoko, because uyayibona uba yabona le kaMpumza into aza nayo andiyithembi. And uyatsho noba uyafela, even if she can fail and come back to us here and tell us bana hayi bafazi, I have failed, blah 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 blah, sizoyi-understanda, because wayembuzile ezi question and wangena just kulaa mtshato for the sake of excitement, nothing else, because uyayazi uba uMpumelelo uyindoda efrustrayithanayo, uyindoda. And I also like the conversation that she had with Umayeni. Umayeni sana, she is that mother-in-law that you need. Uyamxelela bani ba wena jola, okanye wamxelela ba wena jolana lo mntanam alinga umtshato because uzoba frustrated. I mean like uyayazi uTerelo wangena kule relationship eyazi bani ba apha uMpumelelo uyindoda yabafazi, wangena ngathi ustrong. How do you do that at age 20, 21? Ungene ke-relationship uyibona uba yabona le soze inseve any good ngaphandle kwe-stress. But I also like the fact that she went out with her friend just to discuss a few concerns about this marriage. I really like your friend Gatirale, and I like that they are bringing their friends into now this TV thing, which is now Utata Umseleko at least akayikhipha ngathi abantwana bakhe, akayikhipha ngathi iintsana zakhe qha yonke lento yale TV at least expand to friends, because most of the time friends that will see kanye people are without a family, like a direct family, you would see it's people like abantu bakulo, abantu bakokwabo, like omalume and family male figures, and yeah, baba bantwana like xa kuyolotyolwa and all of that. So uTisha Mpumza also uhleli notatakhe ke simbonile ke uyoxelela utatakhe uba hayibo sana wahlala wedwa kwanjena, uthi uMpumelelo hayibo sana notata sanotshata kodwa indlu ibokoboko. I like the fact that uyi-addressile the issue also with his father, because utata umsele kubantwana so uzothini omnye walabafazi funeka umtshata azohlala njani sana noba ngamahle lo, because andiboni utshela lehlala emzombe. And also is our leader to that thing yokuthi ba you guys don't want to stay here, so I need to get a wife, another wife that is going to be staying at Mzumba's, and that wife azamthatha can only be the Mzumba wife, because if you are taking a wife from a Doropini, that wife is not going to stay in Mzumbe. No, they cannot. It can't be by that. You take abantwana babantu in comfortable and well-developed places. Uyobafaka emakhaya. They can never do that. I think from Pumelelo's side, none of these girls can stay in Mzumbe. Imagine, uMpumelelo uthi hayibo zizindlu zomama ezi. So if sizawuhlala apha sizohlala apha, because these are not our houses. I cannot take my Yeni's house and stay. Sana this child is growing. uMpumelelo uyakhula bethunani, because kaloku umsele kwayixa ngafana uMpumelelo uzamnqola amtsale ngempumlo 24/7 a fight against umama. uMpumelelo can see that, but no, basically no, I'm not doing this to my mother. I am not doing this to my mother. I respect that woman that gave birth to moi. I like it that for Mpumelelo ukhula kakhe, and Mpumelelo already uyayibona uba utata wakhe actually akakho stable, akanamqolo ncam, because uyazibuza uba why ndizokwenza loo nto le. And also now apparently we didn't know about Mpumelelo and Lwandle had some quarrels that abangazazi bazivelephi, which other people got involved. Apparently Mom Khulu, the queen, the earthly queen, has andiyazi ndizothini, andizothi uya-interjecta okanye uya-interferisha, but ke kubekho into ungavisisani between uMpumelelo and Lwandle apparently. And then now umamkhulu wabayipata eMpumelelo is like, no, I'm not going to tell. Also, Utata Umseleko has raised the concern of Uncle Okanye. He has reminded Mpumelelo bana, do not forget when you are going to pay for Utirelo Makale, this dowry thing, you must understand that you also have to lobola the child, Okampumelelo, Ogatirelo. So you must be ready when you are going there, because as culture yabaTswana apparently xa ulobola ugqibe sana ucaca uba uready. I like it for them. I like it sana. So if awunamali sana hlala kokwenu okanye kwakho udecide uqala usebenze then uye xa uready. Big ups to the Tswanas. I love it down, because what do you mean uba umfazi akagqitywa? So uMpumelelo wathi don't worry, Tata Umseleko loves abantwana bakaVuyokazi down sana, because why yi-second episode umention uVuyokazi kule nto yoba aba bantwana bam bapha eKapa ndiyabafuna ningabalibali. Ayisana uVuyokazi was the favorite wife of his son, I'm telling you. Ningabalibali nabo uMpumelelo uza hayibo I've tried, and into kaVuyokazi indivisa kabuhlungu. uVuyokazi guys, if ever unyani ile nto ibuhlungu kanjena because uTisha Mpumza uyaveza apha kudala ezama ufowuni esithini. I don't even know whether it's before ibirthday kaMhlophe or what when was this, but then I hope this was before, and I hope this was shot before ibirthday kaMhlophe, because we've seen ibirthday kaMhlophe and we've seen Mpura was there. Not Mpura guys, I'm sorry. Umpumelelo was there, because now ngifuna uvusa inhliziyo ezibuhlungu ebantwini. So Mpumelelo was there. I hope utata Umseleku, this thing or this was shot way before ixesha loba Mpumelelo simbone kwizikrini zethu kanye ku-Facebook as utata ozamayo waya there, which would like to see a good co-parenting between the young guys. They're young, they hurt each other, they wasted each other's time. They are going to deal with this baby situation ngendlela yabo. So let's just give them grace if ever. And also, no, you guys, let's just give a grace, because I mean, like, it's not easy to raise children by yourself, but then that doesn't mean or doesn't enable you to deprive the other party access to abantwana bakhe. Yeah, well, if ever you guys is doing that, you ntombazana, yes, let her down as abantu bakho. Wasiletha down, but into endifundisha nje utata Umseleku akaziva ngefamily yakhe eseKapa, akafuni niks abantwana bakho, bafuna phi eMzumbe, like ufuna yonke ifamily yakhe phambi kwamehlo akhe, so that azokwazi ukucontrol the situation. Sadala mqhavukazi wathi take another wife ndikhona, say no more. And we've seen that now. Mpumelelo is saying he's going to take uTirolo as a first wife. Mpumelelo last time he was saying he's going to take Amahle as a first wife. Okanye was it because wayengenangane at that time? Now that umnyomfile wamfaka umntu, then now akayibona ivalue. Sile umntana kamama umayeni. Usile kodwa shem uyakhula andifuna ukutsho. We're seeing also Usne making up with Ukagiso. I like the fact that the bond, yes, Ukagiso, guys, I want to believe was the good person for Usne. Usne unobumiyawu. Usne unobumiyawu bethu nani, because why Usne angazange like Nkosi yami, I want to believe ukuthi Usne ndifuna ubona lo tata umtsha, because unyabe eyiphi indlela for ubani ba izawuvela eTV-ni uyoclearisha i-issue with Ukagiso. I-issue yantoni? I-issue yani? Akuna issue apha, idlulile, bengicinga nimithiswe nguwe, ayinguwe, then telephonically I tell you, and then we shall pass. We shall go separate ways. Akho need yoba ndithi come and explain myself ukuthi why I do that. I like the fact that Ukagiso is very soft. He's a gentleman, sana. He is a gentleman. I want to believe he was a good person for Usne, and bezamphatha kahle Usne. Unaye ne-English enkulu. Bezamfonisa okanye ampushe to go to school and all of that thing nje, uba azipushe azi-equip, ayeke usebenza yeka azale, because the reason why ezala kangaka, it could be that akananto ayenzayo ebambekayo. So ndiyambona shem kulo mntwana uyazihlalela yedwa and uthatha intoni i-responsibility yakhe uyithathe serious. Sne's got beautiful children, we cannot run away from that. Bahle abantwana bakasne, phofu ke akekho mbi naye, qha izenzo zakhe zizimbi. Bahle abantwana bakhe kakhulu. Umpilo finally got the conversation with uMakhumalo, and finally Mthombeni agreed on umemulo. Siyabona ukuba kusetense because uMakhumalo uyampula ude uyabuza bana you guys xa nilwa nifaka into yenu, and it is so frustrating. And I realized, but I've never been so happy each and every time when you guys are fighting. You want me to take side, especially utata kodwa wayethe Umseleku ku-21st kaMusa noba uMakhumalo angaxabana kangakanani nomyeni wakhe, which is Musa Mseleku, uMpilo abokhetha icala likamama. Now Umpilo is being neutral about this, because what do you mean by your child must intervene in your issues with your wife, which is her mother? And siyambona sise ubuyele emahesini kokwabo indlu caba kulelo utata kumgxotshele njani, because utata ke wayethe ba hayi uyahamba apha ndidikiwe kukutransport. Ndidikiwe kukutransporta. The only kids that Musa Mseleku doesn't get tired of ngabantwana baka the earthly queen umamkhulu. Yo guys, indaba zakaMseleku siyazithanda, sithe gabhu sitshone gabhu ezindabeni zakatata uMseleku. yeah, what do you guys think about this episode? It's episode 2 of season 4. I wonder bazasinike episode ezingaphi because kaloku badlala i-2 days namhlanje sabe yilonto simamele izindaba zasemzumbe, the little ones. So if you are new to the channel, please do not forget to like, share, and comment. Please comment with grace, Litunani. Not forgetting ababantu, they are still humans, their families and their children. Bantwana bomntu, yeah, understand that banegazi nabo banama feelings. So when you comment here, please do comment with a grace. You don't have to. Let's just have fun whilst talking about indaba zabantu that are being given to us, because ezindaba ziziswe kuthi, unfortunately, and there's no way that we cannot talk about them. If you're going to come here and say, but why are you talking about them? I'm going to talk about them because they bring indaba zabo kuthi, and now says into our attention, and then siyazihlalutya ke mntase, ayikho into esizayenza. Yes, bantase ndinithanda into ke sana engapheli. What do you guys think? Do you guys also feel that Umseleku likes Uvuyokazi and her kids down, and these other wives uyababona nje akababoneli ntweni? Umabiela, I cannot wait to see her fully. But I think in today's episode, she is going to be the one. She is gonna be featured. She is gonna be there saying or doing something with a baby. I saw on highlights. But then, yeah, that's it. Do you think Umpumelelo will ever change? Because Otello also said, but Umpumelelo will never ever change. But also she wants to commit herself so badly to a person that she knows very well that he will never change for no muntu unless he can have encounter with God.